back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace the secondary air injection pump check valve. So that valve, guys, they do go bad sometimes. It's on a Chevy 1.8 engine, but it might be helpful for the 1.4. So we have a Chevy Cruze here, but you work on Chevy Sonic since both of them share that 1.8 engine, guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car, okay, this engine alone. So please subscribe, guys. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. We'll have anything from simple repairs to timing belts, cylinder head gaskets. Now, all the mechanical videos, guys, will be found on this channel. The electrical videos and testing components could be found on our new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Please check it out, guys. So, what do we need to do now? Okay, you can see this is your air injection pump, okay, secondary air pump right here, and this is the air injection pump check valve, this device. So we need to, guys, remove that thing. And how we do that now? Okay, first, okay, that hose, okay, you can see it has two special places where we can squish down. Okay, it's going to spread it on the sides and we can pull it out. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, let's one person hold the camera so I can do that and show you, okay, what I'm talking about. Now, if you come through that angle here, you can see you have two teeth, one here, one there, and when you squish, okay, it spreads them out. Now, we have that connector here for the wire. We need to disconnect it by pressing down, okay, and pulling out. Everything will be super tight. After that, guys, okay, we need to go ahead and get four screws removed, and you will see what else needs to be done. So now, with the Torx 25 start looking bit, okay, like this one here, we're going to remove these four bolts now. Okay, and those, guys, they tend to be, okay, really tight. So at first they will go really hard and then they will start going a little bit easier. You can check out in the description of the video, guys, okay, where we get our replacement parts and all that stuff, okay. It will be all listed there. So one came out, okay, this is what it looks like, this is the bolt. Now one more here. Okay, this one is out as well. Second one, now two more. Okay, guys, if you need any specific needs, you have any specific problem with your Chevy Cruze or Chevy Sonic, drop a comment below, okay, and we'll try to make a video, specific video for your problem, guys. That's our goal. We try to make as much video as we can, as much videos as we can, so we can solve as many problems as we can, guys, and that way we can save you some money, because that's the goal of our channel. Okay, fourth one out. Now, what do we need to do? Okay, we need to, okay, grab that thing. It will be stuck here. Okay, and we need to pull it like that now. This is, guys, okay, the valve for the injection pump check valve. Okay, you can see in here. Have to inspect your gasket here and everything. Everything should be fine. Now, if you guys need to replace that whole thing, okay, it's replaceable with that bracket. And all we have to do in that case, okay, you can see right here, you have two bolts. Okay, two bolts that you need to remove, and I believe you have on the bottom as well. And you can remove the whole device if you need to. So If you guys need to replace your valve, I'll go ahead and recommend to go with the whole. Okay, with the whole assembly. Why? Because you have those flaps here, they'll go bad sometimes. So just get the whole assembly. I'll show you how to remove it now. Here we have that bolt on top. Okay, that we need to remove. Okay, it's a 13mm socket. Okay, you can see how long the bolt is. Okay, like that. Now we have two more. Okay, one on the bottom. Okay, right there, and then we have one more. Okay, over here. So usually those guys, if you get them loose, they go by hand pretty easy. Okay, let me see if I can pull that guy out. Yep, that's the third bolt. And now, okay, this thing is going to have a gasket there. And okay, it will be a little bit stuck, so I need to tap on it a little bit. Okay, let me grab something quick. Okay guys, and it came out okay like that. Now we have the gasket here, so I'll definitely recommend to get the whole kit. Okay, it comes with the check valve on top. Okay, like that. You can check out in the description of the video, guys, where we get it. That way, if something's bad, you want to avoid having another problem later in the future. So from that point on, guys, you just put it together in reverse order with 2 kilo part. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.